Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to Update Study Practice channel. Today our title is IBPS PO Prelims Memory Based Question 2020. Yesterday we discussed a sum, 31st sum. Yesterday we discussed. Please see that video. We found the sitting position of 12 students in row 1 and row 2 who are facing north and south direction. Please visit this video and then come back to today's session. Then only you can easily understand the questions. And to find the answer, it will be useful. Okay. See, this is our 31st question. How many students stand between P and S? How many students stand between P and S? See here, yesterday we calculated the sitting position of row 1, row 2. Where is P? P is in row 2. And where is S? S is also in row 2. How many students between P and S? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, 4 students. That means V, T, L, R. They are the 4 students. Therefore, the answer is 4 students between P and S. Okay. Now, the 32nd question. If P is related to F, G is related to V, then in same manner L is related to what? P is related to F. See here, P is related to F. In the same way, G is related to V. G is related to V. In the same manner, L is related to what? So, P first in row 2, second in row 1, second in row 2, third in row 1. Where is L? L here. L is at 4th place. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 in row 2, 2, 3. 4 in row 2 to second in row 1. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 in row 1, row 2. Sorry, 4 in row 2 to 5 in row 1. That means L is related to Q. Am I right? First in row 2 to second in row 1. Second in row 2 to third in row 1. Third in row 2 to fourth in row 1. 4 in row 2 to 5 in row 1. So L is related to Q. So answer is Q. Can you understand this, guys? Now we are moving to 33rd sum. Who among the following faces the one who stands second to the right of S? Who is second to the right of S? S here in row 2. Right of S is R, L, T, P, V. All are second to the right of S. What they asked here? Second to the right of S. Who among the following faces one who stands second to the right of S? That means second to the right of S is here. 1, 2. Second to the right of S is L. L faces who? L faces K. L faces K. So see here. The options are given here. One who sits third to the right of F. Whether L faces third to the right of F? No. 1, 2. It's second to the right of F. So this is not the answer. One who sits immediate left of W. L faces immediate left of W? No. It's not immediate left, it's second left. 1, 2. Second to the left of W. K is second to the left of W faces L. So this is also false. And A, W. Whether L faces A? No. Whether L faces W? No. Both are wrong answer. Check out the fifth option. One who sits immediate right of G. L faces some person, one who sits immediate right of G. Yes, this is left of G and this is right of G. L faces immediate right of G. That means K. So option E is the right answer. Now we are moving to 34th question. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which of the following does not belong to that group? That means from the given option, 4 options are same in certain way, but one is different, odd one out. We have to find that one. Come on, let's find out the answer. See, the first option is X, S, Q. Where is S? S here and Q here. So it matched like this. Again I am writing here because it will be overwritten, means you can't understand. So again I am writing here A, F, G, K, Q, W. So S is related to Q. Okay. A is related to V. Okay. L is related to G. Okay. K is related to R. Okay. And then T is related to G. T is related to Z. So find out the odd one. This is easiest one. See here. V, A. That means first to second. Here third to 4. Here 4 to 5. Here 5 to 6. But see here T and G. They are just opposite to each other. Both are in third place. So each are get paired with cross elements. A, V, G, L, K, R, Q, S. But T, G is different. So option D is different, which is odd one out, which does not belong to that group. Can you understand, guys? Now we are moving to 35th question. What's the question? Which of the following is not true regarding Q? Which of the following is not true regarding Q? See, the option is here. Q, where is Q? Q is in row 1 facing north direction. See the option. Q stands second to the right of G. Yes, Q is at second to the right of G. 1, 2. G's second right is Q. So it's true. Q faces R. Second B option is Q faces R. Yes, this is also right. Q faces R. Option C. Q faces immediate neighbor of T. Q faces immediate neighbor of T. No. Q faces R, but R is not immediate neighbor of T. R is the immediate neighbor of L or S. It's not T. T is immediate neighbor of V and L. So option C is the odd one out, which is not true. Let's check out with D option. 2 students between Q and F. F is here, Q is here. 1, 2. Yes, 2 students between Q and F. G and K are the 2 students between Q and F. Option E, all are true. No, not all are true. C is the odd one out. C is not true. Q faces immediate neighbor of T. Q faces R, but R is not the immediate neighbor of T. R is the immediate neighbor of either L or S. So option C is the not true. Option C is not true regarding Q. Okay. If you have doubt in this 5 question, please comment it. It's easy to understand. If you find the sitting position of each members correctly means, then it is easy to understand this question. Anyway, if you have any doubt, please comment it. Thank you. Happy day. All the very best. If you like this session, please give thumbs up and share and subscribe my channel. Bye. Thank you.